guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. Today I am making a recipe that I am calling pizza pasta casserole. Alright, so to get started, I am boiling my pasta. I am using rotini today, but you can use whatever pasta you have on hand. Alright, so my pasta is cooked and drained, and I have returned it to my pot. And next I am going to be adding pizza sauce. Alright, pizza sauce is in, and I have used 3 of these 14-ounce jars of pizza sauce. Alright, so next I have my casserole dish, which I have sprayed with non-stick spray, and I'm going to be adding my pasta to it. So I'm doing this in layers, so I have the first half of my pasta in as my bottom layer, and the next layer is going to be mozzarella cheese. Alright, so the first cheese layer is on, and now this is the part where you can be creative and add your favorite pizza toppings. Today I'm going for a classic pepperoni. Alright, pepperoni layer is on, and we are ready for our second pasta layer. Alright, the second pasta layer is on, and we are ready for our second cheese layer. Alright, the cheese is on, and we are ready for our final layer of pepperoni. Alright, the final pepperoni layer is on. I'm really excited about this one, you guys. It looks so good. Alright, so I have my oven preheated to 375. I'm going to be baking this for about 30 minutes, and I'll see you when it's done. Alright, it's out of the oven and it looks so good. I can't wait to give this one a try. Alright, so I cut a piece so you guys can see what it looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your post notifications so you never miss any upcoming videos. We'll see you back here next time at Recipes Mania. Bye guys.